Hi, I'm Breeka. This is George Washington. His name is George Washington because he was born on President's Day. I am here representing AMPA, American Mini Pig Association. We deal with all sorts of American mini pigs and different breeds of mini pigs, George being a potbelly mix. Our goal for our nonprofit is to educate the public on pigs as pets, specifically zoning regulations and vets, spay and neutering, and rescue. AMPA is trying to get out there, and a myth that we're trying to dispel is that teacup pigs exist. So a teacup pig, I'm sure you've seen them online. They're the cute little pigs that run around and they play with dogs and they jump everywhere. Well, fortunately or unfortunately, depending on how you look at it, I think it's fortunately, a lot of teacup pigs turn out to be the size of George. Pigs continue to grow until they're 5, so you're going to get a full-grown pig. That could be any pig, at least for a mini pig definition, 150 pounds or less. With AMPA, we do a lot of educational events. We go to pet shows, home shows. We have an annual conference. This year is in Destin, Florida, where we educate owners on pigs, but then also the general public on pigs, and against the teacup pig myth. So, pigs are very smart. They have the IQ of a 3 to 5-year-old. They're actually the 5th smartest animal on the planet if you include humans. George specifically, he is learning some letters. He knows colors, 4 different colors. He knows 2 shapes. He does agility. What else do you do, George? He can do find it. He can bump, so he'll greet you with the snout bump. Super fun. And he's a giant snuggler, so he sleeps in bed with me. Some people have their pigs sleep in bed with them. Other people crate train their pigs. George is potty trained to go outside. He actually taught himself to go outside. Other pigs are litter box trained. Pigs in general live to 15 to 20 years of age, and that obviously it depends on how well they're handled. Pigs are omnivores by nature, so they need both protein and your micros from your vegetables to be able to survive. I would suggest against feeding scraps because that's how you get really fat pigs. The ideal weight for a pig is actually, if you look behind them, to have a teardrop shape. So you shouldn't be able to see their stomach around their back legs, and their eyes should not be covered by their cheeks. What do you think? So AMPA has a therapy pig program where you can enroll your pet pig into the program and become AMPA certified for a therapy pig. So George is AMPA certified. And so he is trained to be able to go into schools and senior citizen homes, to your neighborhood barbecue, no pun intended, and to be a good citizen for the public. He is also my personal therapy animal. So I have PTSD, and he has helped me deal with my own diagnosis. So they're a great animal to have, and I fully support having non-traditional animals. And he's a great, this is a good point, the teardrop shape. So when he was standing like that, you didn't see his stomach around on the sides here. This should be all flat. Of course, he's gonna have a little meat here because he is a potbelly pig. And pigs also, they have this awesome mohawk that comes up, if he'll do it. And it comes up like goosebumps. So when someone's scratching yours, rubbing your head, and it feels really good and you get goosebumps. That's what his mohawk signifies. Thanks for chatting with George and I look forward to talking to you soon.